My name is Denis Alexandrov. I'm technical architect in service provider in HBU CTO team. The lab which I'm doing here is Telco Cloud Automation overview. The most important feature is the way that we provide automation for telcos to place their workloads into the cloud in cloud native manner. So basically before workloads were monolithic, and now we split them into multiple pieces and we are able to place them into the cloud. From the labs, users mostly is Telco Cloud guys from companies like Dish or AT&T who are managing workloads like 5G or RAN workloads, and people who are going to take the labs, they will be able to actually understand our software and replicate that in their environment and further take it, for instance, into proof of concept of our product or even into production. The main benefit and use case is there are actually two. The first one is CaaS automation. So basically we create a cloud, Kubernetes cloud automatically, right, and provide lifecycle management for that cloud. And the second use case is instantiation of CNF and lifecycle management for workloads. For sure, we release updates for Telco Cloud twice per year, and basically last year we had the version 2.1, and this year the lab is updated to 2.2. Probably next year there will be next version 2.3 or 3.0, something like that. Guys, if you are managing workloads, just join us and we will be able to show you how easily we can automate your workloads in your cloud.